All right, guys, we've got the EEA ULD razor blade scraper. This is a 2-in-1 scraping tool. We've got the razor blade on top. Put that guard back on. And then on the bottom, we have a plastic scraper that's less sharp and less prone to scratching things. So you got two options. You flip it just like that. They lock in place with this screw on each side here. You get two of them, one in orange, one in pink. You also get 30 extra pieces of the metal razor blades and 10 extra pieces of the plastic blades. So what this is super useful for is if you have to scrape something off of like a surface, like a countertop or a windshield, or maybe like you're doing grout in the tile, grout on the tile in a shower or on the floor or something like that, you could use the plastic scraper if you're really having trouble getting things. And the plastic scraper really isn't going to scratch anything, so you could use it on like a windshield or glass or anything like that. You're going to be fine. But if you're trying to really get something off of like tile or a place that's hard to get the stuff off, you're going to need the sharp razor blade. And that is really going to get under everything and dig that hard to get stuff up. But you want to use that in like a worst case situation. So, man, when I'm looking at the value on the screen, this is going to be really useful for like, I don't know, people that work in like drywall or construction or any things like that. If you're doing like a lot of tile work or things like that, these are easily useful. These are also just going to be useful for people in their everyday lives. And the value, and I'm looking at the number of the screen based on the fact that you get two of these, 30 follow-up actual razor blades and 10 follow-up plastic blades. This is an insane value. If you're on this page, you're looking for something like this, it would kind of be stupid not to get a pack of these, because it's just going to save you. Throw them in your toolbox, throw them in a spare drawer, and you've got them for a rainy day. Get them.